First time buyers, are you looking for a Victorian 2-bedroom home that oozes charm, that has lots going for it? We're going to share 5 things about this one and I can't wait. Let's go. So the first thing is the charm. You've got the original floorboards and these decorative character features as well. So number 2 is the slightly larger than average kitchen at the rear here. A lot of these terraces are more galley and they are a little bit narrower, and you've got that lovely view of the garden too. And number 3 is this bathroom. Look at the fantastic size here, really generous, really nicely done, nothing to do in this space. So before we take to the skies and I share number 4, have a look around the home. Just a few minutes walk away, you are at Wokingham Road Parade of Shops. That is on the number 17 bus route that takes you directly into Reading Town Centre. And just about a 10-minute walk away, you arrive at Palmer Park. Beautiful green space to enjoy, and you have the Palmer Park Leisure Centre as well. Saving the best to last, number 5 is this secluded, tranquil garden. The current owners have put a lot of time and love into this space. You've got all this tree cover at the back for privacy, and this is such a nice place for a morning coffee or relaxing after a long day. So if you love what you see and you think this little charmer is for you, we can't wait to show you around. Just get in touch with the team at the office. Can't wait to meet you here at Auckland Road.